In this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how we can create the video discovery ads. In the previous presentation, we have created our normal in-stream ad. But in this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and create a video discovery ad with the same strategy, custom search terms. Let's get into this. But previously, we have used the target CVM. But this time, we'll go ahead and use the maximum CVP. That's cost per view. Why the cost per view? Because that's only for the discovery ads. Let's go for that. I'll go ahead and create a new campaign. Of course, campaign without a goals guidance. Then I'll go to video. We'll go to custom video campaign because we are creating the video discovery ads. I'll go to continue. We'll quickly rename the campaign name. I'll go for video discovery ad. Yes, we'll go with maximum CVP. That's right. Once you choose the maximum CVP, come here and say, what is your, I'm gonna go with daily budget. But my daily budget is gonna be, suppose it's 1,000. Start date, end date, up to you. Then we have networks. Which network do you, now see this, every option is highlighted. Why? Just because of video discovery ad. I still don't want to go for video partners on display network. Of course, if I uncheck this, or if I check this, or if I uncheck this, this will still gonna be check. My personal opinion says I don't want to go for YouTube search results, because if someone search with that particular thing, my ad will show to them. I personally don't go for that. If you want to go for this, hit on this. Otherwise, this option will stay continue for you. Then we have locations, which is India. Then we have languages. I'll go with all languages. Then we have inventory type, which will keep as standard inventory. We have excluded types and labels. That's going to be up to you if you want to exclude any types and labels. Then we have additional settings, just like conversions. As we have created the previous conversions, I'll stick to them. I'll choose that, select the conversions. I'll go with anyone. Save. Suppose I'll go with this one. Then we go. I have devices. Which devices do you want to set? Suppose I don't want to go for TV screens, except that I'll go with everyone. Then I have frequency capping. If you want to, as we have discussed in the previous video, what is the capping? If you want to make any capping on impressions, make it. If you want to make any capping for view frequency, up to you. Then we have ad schedule. If you want to add any kind of schedule, like do you want your ad should run from this time to this time? Let's suppose in this, I want to make a schedule. Instead of all days, I'll go with Mondays to Fridays, starting from 9 in the morning till 6 in the evening. Where is the PM? 6 PM, right? Then I have ad group. Let's make the ad group name video discovery new. Then I have demographic. If you want to make any kind of demographic targeting. Then we have audiences. If you want, of course, I'll stick to my same audience. That's my custom audience. I'll go with beauty new. That's mine. And then I'll go, if you want to make any keywords, topics, placements, up to you. Then we have bidding. Okay. In the bidding, what you need to do is, first of all, this is maximum CVP bid, which we have selected. Now, suppose if you want to change top content bid adjustment, I'll make it. First of all, what I'll go with only 10 paise. I'll go with 10 paise. That's in Indian currency, which means it's 0.10. Which I'll go with. Like I wanna pay only 10 paise for my per view. That's it. Not more than that. But you know what? You have, like, if you want to go ahead, like suppose there is a good content, like suppose if I'm selling beauty products, and if I have the option to sell it, like to show my ad on Maybelline or different like big companies, what would I do? They say top content bid adjustment. Increase my bid with 20%. your bid is 0.10 will become 0.12, right? So this is how I can content my, I can, increase my 20% bid adjustment just because of this. Like, it totally depends on my content. Then I'll go ahead and create my video ad. This is my new video ad. I'll go with this time video discovery ad. YouTube link. Again, I'll go to my, sorry. What happened is, I'm so sorry if I refreshed it. Oh my God, I just refreshed it. Let me quickly do this. Campaign name, that was video discovery. That's video discovery. Ads. It's maximum CVP that's selected. That's 1,000. Okay. I'll go with none. I don't want to make any kind of start date and end dates, but I'll go with none. I don't know why I'm not finding the none option, but suppose I'll go with 28. And then I have networks. I'll go with these two networks. India, all languages, standard. Yes. Additional settings. Account level settings. No, I'll go with the conversion actions. Dummy goal. Just give me 2 to 3 seconds so that I can make my, I can create the previous settings. I just refreshed it. I don't know why I did that. It just happened. All days instead of that, Friday. And it's 9 till 6 p.m. Then I have group name, that's VD new. Demographics, audiences, no. Yeah, I was about to choose my audience. No, I have choose my audience, right? I just remembered I have also chosen my audiences. It's 0.10. I have told you about the bidding. Now I was about to choose my length, right? No, wait. I want to go to YouTube. That's my dummy channel. That's right. I'll go to my your videos. And inside my your videos, I'll go to shareable link. I'll come back here. I'll share my link. There I go. I have chosen my discovery ad. Look at this. I can choose my banner, whatever the thumbnail I want. Suppose I'll go with this banner. Then there is a headline 1. Now it says purchase as soon as possible. Then I have in description 1, then I have limited time offer. And then suppose in description 2 I mention as and that's a required field, so I need to fill it. Suppose in description 2 I go with I'll go with description 2. What should be like? Best quality, and then add name VD. That's it. And then it's a mobile view and that's a desktop view. I'm okay with that. I said done. Once you hit on done, everything is okay. Just hit on create campaign. Once you hit on create campaign, that's continue to campaign and add flow. There we have VD new. Look at this. Now, cut. This is a different home page. This is the overview of my ad, of my discovery ad. It's showing me my selected audience, my targeting, my days and hours, everything. And then I have the recommendations. If I found any kind of recommendations, like suppose if Google's recommend me something, you know what, you need to do this for with your campaign. I can find this here. These are the ad groups in this, only in my video discovery campaign. This is my ads and extensions. I don't have extensions right now, but I have ads. Then I have video. My videos will look here. Analytics will look here. If I mention any kind of analytics, this is how it would look like, right? But I'll pause it as of now. Then we have landing pages. If I mention any kind of landing page, this would look here. Expanded landing page. Of course, that's a new page. I mean, that's a new option. This is the keyword. If I'll be using any kind of keyword, it would display here. Negative keyword if I'll use any. And then we have search items. If I'll use any kind of search terms, it would look here. Then I have audiences. Which audiences I have used, it would look here. Beauty new. Exclusions, as if I don't have excluded any audience. Then we have demographic. All the options of demographics. I'm not like, that was age, this is gender, parental status, household income, combinations, and then exclusions. I haven't made any exclusions. Then I have placements. Where I want to see my ad, it would look here. Where ads showed, it would look here. And your exclusions. Then you have settings. What the settings which you have made, it would show here, just like this. Then we have locations, targeted or excluded location, which we don't have, geographic report, user location report, per store report, which we haven't created. Then we have topics. If we had added any kind of topics, exclusions. Then we have devices, on which devices my campaign is running. And then we have more, just like topics, locations, ad schedule. Then we have advanced bit adjustment, which we haven't touched as of now. Change history. If you want to change your history, then that's up to you. So this is the overview, and this is the practical how you can make a video discovery ad. So make sure you will be keep on practicing about the same. And if you find any confusion, do rewind the video, and still you get, do let us. All right. Do not confused. Do not stay confused. All right. If you have any questions, do ask us. All right. Till then, keep practicing, and I'll catch you later in the next presentation.